In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy the RackWare Cloud Migration Engine to Oracle OCI. Let's bring up a browser, search for Oracle Cloud Marketplace, and here go to View All Solutions and just do a search for RackWare. Several listings will appear. Some of these are specific to C3 images. We have Swift for containers. What we're going to be looking at today and deploying is our migration for servers and VMs. It's a paid listing. This will automatically come licensed. It's paid hourly through Marketplace. You can also deploy the BYOL listings for demos, proof of concepts, and things such as that. You'll simply request your licenses from the RackWare sales team. So let's get started. Click on the listing, Get App, and you'll deploy this just like any other listing or instance within OCI. Choose your compartment, shape, your VCN and your subnet, and upload your SSH key. If you're doing migrations, you do not need to add any additional storage. If you're doing disaster recovery, you'll add additional block volumes. After the instance is deployed, we'll perform our initial setup. Start by logging into the instance via SSH. OPC is the user. First thing we'll do is we'll elevate ourselves to root. We'll add the admin user. Set the password. And then we'll generate our root SSH key. Defaults, no passphrase. Next, we'll go ahead and log into the web portal. And the password we set earlier. And you're ready to go. You can check your information here with a little gear icon. It'll tell you what version, date, licenses that are installed, and any sort of other operational statistics. And now your RackWare engine is up and running, and you're ready for the next steps. You can see the getting started guides at rackware.freshdesk.com, rackware.freshdesk.com. In the support area, we've got our getting started guides here for each of the different cloud providers, or you can go back to your listing, and within the listing itself, there's the getting started guide, which will show you the next steps. Thank you for watching.